What the fuck?
Oh, okay.
What's good? How's it going? You cool? Good. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out viral TikTok fashion hacks. Now, I didn't actually know how I was going to plan out this video, but if you're watching this video right now, then I did it and I made it. So let's go.
Okay.
In this video, I actually have a bunch of clothes that I pre-prepared to use for this video because I really love fashion. So this should be really interesting and hopefully all of the hacks work very well, because if they don't, then I'm not sure. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go! First hack, it is including a hoodie, which I actually just found. We're gonna try this out because this is looking kind of dull and I already know it's gonna be a fail, so yeah. What the fuck? Ow! Oh, I think I'm getting it. Well, that was a fail. A big fail. I'm not even gonna attempt it with this one. It didn't work. Either I'm really bad at it or you need that exact hoodie for it. That was a fail. I'm gonna give that 0 out of 10. Okay, maybe a 0.5 out of 10. It just didn't work for me, so. Second fashion hack involves some shoelace, which I got. I can't really tuck this in, it's gonna look awkward, so I've decided to get this satin shirt that I own, this really cute satin shirt. 3, 2, 1. Ah, it's on. These need to go as well, so woo, and it's on. Let's go. Also, the lighting changed, my apologies, because it's starting to get dark outside. I believe what you do, hang on, let me watch this again. Simply get the shoelace and you get your belly. Why am I taking so long at doing this? Oh my gosh. Don't tie it too tight. This is how it turned out. It turned out really good. I mean, not that I wasn't expecting anything, but yeah, this is cute. Let's see the back. I don't know, maybe I could have fixed the back a little more, but it works. It works. I'm gonna give this hack a 10 out of 10 because it works really well. Like, yes, I love it. Bet you wasn't expecting this angle, was ya? So for the next hack, I have decided to grab the biggest pair of mom jeans that I own, which is basically this one I wear in every single picture that I take. Hopefully this works, because they're not that much bigger, but when I wear them, the back kind of has this awkward space in it. Yeah, it's not cute, it's not cute. Let's try this hack. This is what I meant. It's so big. But instead, when I wear it, usually it looks like this, but can you see that awkward space right there? So bad. I don't know, it fits, but it's not a snug, but it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. I give this jean hack a 7 out of 10, only because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work on all types of jeans, so, but it's really good. I like it. It fits me really well. These jeans are like 2 sizes up bigger than me, so I think it works. It works. 7 out of 10. So for this hack, I luckily found a shirt that resembled exactly the same thing or something. I think she did something like this, and then you folded, I think she did this, something like this. I think I know I didn't do it right, but it's cute. It's cute. I like it. I give it a 9 out of 10 because I know I can work on it. Overall, the technique, 10 out of 10, but 9 out of 10 for me fucking this up. But it's cute. I like it. For this hack, I got a cute little dress because she was wearing a cute little dress, or they, and a jacket, an oversized jacket with some stilettos. You need, ooh, I look like I should be in Harry Potter or something. You need 2 hairbands because these are considered too long. Does this hack work? I think it does. I give it a 10 out of 10. I like it. 10 out of 10. For the next hack, I'm going to be doing 2 in 1. So I'm going to be doing the trouser hack with the shoelace and also tucking a dress into your trousers or your clothes. Just seeing how that goes. So I tied it a different way because I simply couldn't get it. I don't know, I didn't do it well, I missed the loop. But just pretend I did the loop at the back. This is quite tight if you ask me. If I perfected this well, it would have gone well. But this is still fairly really snug on me, like there's no space whatsoever. This hack, just ignore my technique, but I give it a 10 out of 10. It works, it works, it works. It's a lot harder than I thought because it's a lot of layers. It works, so that's a 10 out of 10 because I do this all the time. Well, hello there. You, my friend, have reached the end of this video and why did I sound like that? You, my friend, have reached the end of this video and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so happy. If you watch this whole video through, leave a yellow heart in the comment down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried out these hacks for yourself and how it went for you. Yeah, that's honestly all I can say. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed it the same way I made this video, and share this video with your friends so they can discover new hacks as well. Other than that, have an amazing day. Please stay safe. Take care. Much love. Mwah, 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 mwah.